You'd never expect a starter jet to shake up an industry built on big money and bigger egos. But this one? It rewrote the script the moment it arrived. And here's where it gets even more unbelievable. Cirrus didn't just build another aircraft. They carved out an entirely new category that flat out didn't exist before. For decades, moving from a piston plane to a jet felt like staring across a canyon. Too expensive, too complex, too intimidating. Pilots joked that the upgrade wasn't a step. It was a leap your wallet wouldn't survive. But then the Vision Jet showed up, and suddenly that impossible jump didn't look so impossible anymore. Cirrus took the idea of jet ownership and stripped away everything that scared people off. Instead of 2 engines, endless systems, and maintenance bills that feel like ransom notes, they built a single-engine jet that costs less than, well, a pile of luxury SUVs stacked together. What would have once been a millionaire's fantasy suddenly became something real, reachable, and shockingly practical. And that's exactly where the revolution started. And here's why beginners gravitate toward it. It fills the giant gap nobody else bothered to touch. On one side, you've got piston planes. On the other hand, traditional light jets that cost more, burn more, and demand more training. The Vision Jet lands right in the sweet spot, powerful enough to feel like a real jet, simple enough not to overwhelm someone stepping up for the first time. Ever seen a jet built exactly for first-time jet owners? And just when you think the Vision Jet can't surprise you anymore, you step inside. The cabin doesn't feel like something out of a small jet category. It feels like someone shrunk a luxury lounge and tucked it into the sky. The numbers sound modest on paper. 13 feet 4 inches long, 5 feet 1 inch wide, and 4 feet 1 inch tall. But the moment you're actually in there, those dimensions somehow stretch, breathe, and open up in ways you don't expect. The seating is just as clever. Up front, the 2 pilot seats feel almost automotive, more like something you'd see in a premium SUV than a jet. Behind them sits a 3-across second row, a layout that shouldn't work in something this size but somehow does, and tucked at the back is the 2-seat children's bench. Perfect for kids but totally usable for adults on shorter hops. Total count? 5 adults and 2 kids without anyone feeling squeezed. Despite the comfort, you always sense the safety woven into the design. Thick carbon fiber structure, clear sight lines, and Cirrus protection-first philosophy in every curve. It just feels secure. And here's the part that always makes people do a double take. The entire aircraft has a parachute. Not a small drag chute, not an emergency flare. A full Cirrus Airframe Parachute System built to lower the whole jet safely to the ground. No other jet in the world has it. Cirrus pioneered this tech years ago in their piston aircraft, and it's already proven to save dozens of lives. Now it sits inside the Vision Jet like a silent guardian, ready for the unthinkable. For first-time jet owners, especially those stepping into turbine power for the first time, that kind of backup isn't just comforting, it's game-changing. It's the safety net nobody ever expects to use, but everyone feels better having. And this is the moment every new pilot falls in love with the Vision Jet, the cockpit. You slide into the seat expecting the usual jet chaos, switches everywhere, cryptic knobs, a wall of gauges daring you to touch the wrong one. Instead, you're staring at something that looks more like the dashboard of a high-end EV than a traditional aircraft. Front and center sit 3 massive Garmin Perspective Touch Plus displays, built on the same backbone as the legendary G3000 system. Clean, bright, and ridiculously intuitive. Then your eyes drop down to the 2 lower touchscreen controllers, which feel more like handling a tablet than flying a jet. Everything is tap, swipe, confirm. No hunting for buried switches or wrestling with outdated logic. One trained pilot can safely manage the entire aircraft without the stress normally associated with jet operations. And here's where the Vision Jet really flexes. The moment you fire up that engine. It's easy to forget this thing isn't a twin-engine jet like the traditional players, because the single Williams FJ33 5A tucked neatly into the V-tail packs 1,900 pounds of thrust, more than enough muscle for the jet's mission. Cirrus chose the single-engine route on purpose. One engine means less maintenance, fewer inspections, lower operating costs, and honestly, fewer things to go wrong. For a first-time jet owner, that's not just convenient, it's sanity-saving. Once you're rolling, the Vision Jet feels almost playful. Rotation happens quickly, and the aircraft climbs at a steady 1,500 feet per minute, pushing you smoothly toward its ceiling of 28,000 feet. Up there, above most weather, the jet settles into a comfortable cruise of around 300 miles per hour. Not blistering fast like a heavy business jet, but far quicker than any piston aircraft most pilots are coming from. The range, 1,200 nautical miles, hits a sweet spot. You can go from New York to Chicago, or from Los Angeles to Denver without stress, which covers a massive chunk of typical business and family trips. And where can you land? That's the secret weapon. With a 3,500-foot takeoff roll and 2,600-foot landing distance, the Vision Jet can slip into thousands of smaller airports that bigger jets can't even consider. That means closer destinations, less traffic, fewer delays. A huge win for new jet owners who just want simplicity. Inside the cabin, the engine's quiet performance is almost shocking. Conversations happen at normal volume, no headset yelling. And the handling? It's got that sports car vibe, responsive, smooth, confidence building. All of these numbers matter for beginners because they translate into one thing: a jet that performs like a jet, without overwhelming you like one. And here's where the Vision Jet truly wins people over: the way it feels in the air. New jet owners expect intensity, speed, maybe even a bit of intimidation. But the Vision Jet comes at you with the exact opposite. The controls are smooth, intuitive, almost gentle, like the aircraft is teaching you instead of testing you. Nothing feels cramped or overcomplicated. And because the systems are so intuitive, first-time jet pilots build confidence fast. There's no, "I hope I'm doing this right." It becomes, "Yeah, I can handle this." That's why so many pilots describe the Vision Jet as the perfect step between piston comfort and true jet capability. A jet that welcomes you instead of overwhelming you. And here's the part nobody expects: the price. The Vision Jet G2 Plus runs about $2.9 million to $3.2 million, depending on options. The newer G3 models start around $3.3 million plus. Still a lot of money, sure, but in the jet world, that's unheard of. Most entry-level business jets start at $4.5 million and shoot past $7 million without trying. Cirrus basically sliced the market in half and said, "Here, this one's for regular pilots." For buyers who don't want full ownership, there's fractional ownership, where you can get a share for around $600,000 plus monthly fees. Or, if you just want to fly it occasionally, chartering runs about $2,500 to $3,200 per hour. Still one of the most affordable turbine options in the sky. Operating costs are another win. That single engine burns roughly 65 gallons per hour, far less than the 80 to 100 gallons typical VLJs chew through. Maintenance? Also cheaper. Fewer systems, fewer inspections, fewer financial surprises. For new owners, this structure is a dream. Predictable costs, lower risk, and a jet that doesn't punish your wallet. It's no wonder so many first-time buyers choose the Vision Jet over bigger, thirstier aircraft. The Cirrus Vision Jet blends everything a first-time jet owner needs: exceptional safety systems, a simple Garmin touchscreen cockpit, low operating costs, solid range, and cabin comfort that feels far more premium than its size suggests. It gives new pilots confidence because every part of the aircraft is designed to reduce workload, prevent mistakes, and make jet flying feel natural instead of intimidating. That's why it dominates its niche. No other jet offers this combination of price, technology, ease of use, and real-world practicality. For owners stepping up from pistons, nothing makes the transition smoother than the Vision Jet. At the end of the day, the Vision Jet isn't just a small jet, it's the gateway to jet ownership. It removes fear, lowers cost, boosts confidence, and lets new pilots experience true jet performance without the stress. For first-time owners, it simply hits every mark perfectly.